it's Eric with AMI Locals here to tell you about how to operate most of our TVs in our houses. So for the most part, the one remote you use most of the time is the Spectrum remote. That should be able to function, and the cable box as well as the TV. Some of the TVs you might also be required to use the manufacturer's remote as well to turn the TV on and sometimes change between the various video sources. To operate most TVs, on the Spectrum remote, you'll press the cable CBL button, cable button, and then hit power. I will turn on the cable box. This is what most of the cable boxes look like. You will see a light come on the cable box that indicates it is now on. For this TV in particular, you have to press the power button to turn the TV on. When the TV comes on, if it is on the correct input, this is the initial screen that will come on. So this is the initial screen that will come on. If this screen does not come on initially, you most likely either don't have one of the components turned on or you are not on the correct input. If you're not on the correct input on the Spectrum remote, you will need to press the TV button and then video source until you go to the correct HDMI input to have it come on. On other manufacturer's remotes, you'll either use an input button or a video source button to get to the correct HDMI input to have this screen come on. Once this screen comes on, everything will be operated for the cable just using this remote. Most of the time you can just push guide, take you to the guide, choose the station you want to choose, plug in the numbers once you learn what the stations are, use the channel up, channel down, volume up, volume down button.